Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to close Google Chrome without closing the tabs. So if you want to close out of Chrome and then just have it reopen whatever pages you had open last time before you closed out of your last Google Chrome web session, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of Google Chrome, and you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select On Startup, and then where it says Continue where you left off, go ahead and select that. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. If you have any pages open before you close out of Google Chrome, for example, just want to give you guys an example here. If we close out of Google Chrome at this point and then reopen the Chrome, you notice it'll resume all of the other sessions, or I should say the tabs that we had open. Now some of the tabs and websites might have timed out in the interim, but at least it'll redirect you back to whatever pages you had open prior to closing out of the browser. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.